bloody civilian. I want first water.
Bros, you meet me for here now. What make I fetch my own first now?
You bloody civilian. You dey argue with officer.
Jesus! Emmanuel, are you telling me the truth? You know you can be prosecuted for that.
Boss.
This is action. Action.
This soldier man a boss.
Action boss.
What? Phone card? Apostle will hear of this. Jesus is Lord. You will move out of this house. What? Jesus is Lord.
This world is not my home, I'm just a passing through.